Igbo mụrụ nze m ọzọ ekene m. I just wake up this morning. I had a sad news that His Royal Majesty Igwe Ugochukwu Rufus Iloduba, Eze-Ohanyelu II of Aguluzigbo, was being kidnapped. So everybody is no longer safe in the town called Aguluzigbo. In the much that they will come and kidnap His Royal Majesty. It is a sacrilege in the land, and it is a sacrilege that they will kidnap a Royal Majesty. What is the disgrace and the shameful things that if you enter inside the town, you see that some people might kidnap the Royal Majesty in the community? Is the high time the security attitude will sweep into an action concerning this? Are you this my medium to call the Anambra State Governor, His Excellency Professor Chukwuma Soludo, to sweep into action for this? I don't have anything to say more about this. But this information, whenever you are across it, please endeavor to share it. Thanks and God bless you. I am still remain Maazi-UC. Omunnem Day 1.